Do you need to know how to swim before taking SOLAS training? What if you're scared of water? What if you cannot even jump into the pool? If you're planning to work on a cruise ship, watch this because this could save you from failing your training. Hi everyone, this is Tintin. Today we're talking about one of the most common questions from future seafarers and cruise ship applicants. Do you need to know how to swim to take SOLAS training? The short answer is it's better if you know how to swim, but you don't need to be expert swimmer. A lot of people think SOLAS training is like joining a swimming competition, but that's not the purpose. SOLAS is designed to prepare you for real-life emergency situation at sea. So, why is SOLAS is important? SOLAS stands for Safety of Life at Sea, and its purpose is to teach people how to react and survive during emergencies while on board. During the training, you learn things like proper use of life jackets, survival techniques in the water, how to use life rafts, emergency procedures, basic firefighting and safety awareness, and rescue and survival skills. And what should you expect during the actual training? Expect classroom discussion where instructors explain safety procedures and emergency situation. But there's also actual practical training, and for many people, this is the scary part. You may be asked to jump into the water wearing a life jacket, practice floating, and perform survival exercises. I still remember my own SOLAS training in Cavite. I was really scared during the actual water training. I was standing there, looking down, and honestly, I was terrified of jumping. But I had no choice. I needed to do it. I told myself, just do it. And when I finally jumped, I realized something. Sometimes it's not about skill first. Sometimes it's about courage. I also had a classmate who really couldn't jump and couldn't swim. Because of that, he had to retake the trainings. So, my advice for anyone planning to take SOLAS training, prepare yourself physically and mentally. If you're not comfortable in the water, try practicing before your training day. And most importantly, build your courage because fear is normal. Almost everyone gets scared, but don't let fear stop you from taking the next step toward your dream job. Remember this, courage is not having no fear. Courage is doing it even you're scared. Follow me for more cruise ship tips and real experience. Thanks for watching.